Welcome to Hyphen Technologies, your trusted partner in IT solutions, systems integration, and digital transformation. At Hyphen Technologies, we believe in creating intelligent, connected, and secure environments for businesses to grow, driven by innovation and powered by expertise. Our services cover the full spectrum of digital infrastructure, from design to deployment, from vision to reality. Smart surveillance, access control, and safety systems ensuring protection and peace of mind. Delivering immersive communication, seamless collaboration, and high-end AV experiences for every environment. Customized enterprise systems that streamline operations, improve workflow, and drive intelligent decision-making. Robust, scalable, and secure network foundations for tomorrow's digital enterprises. Flexible, reliable, and secure cloud ecosystems, enabling modern businesses to work smarter and faster. Integrating technology into spaces for efficiency, sustainability, and comfort. Hyphen Technologies also delivers the world's most trusted hardware and integrated systems built to perform and engineered to last. Empowering professionals with performance, reliability, and design. Smart displays crafted for clarity, productivity, and creativity. The backbone of enterprise computing, built for power, speed, and security. High-performance devices for seamless office productivity and document management. Switches, routers, and network devices ensuring connectivity without compromise. Structured cabling, patch panels, and racks, the silent strength of every network. Transforming learning and meetings with next-generation visual engagement. From ERP to specialized business applications, we deliver tools that power success. With a strong presence across the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the GCC region, and expanding internationally, Hyphen Technologies continues to redefine how the world connects, collaborates, and communicates. Every project we deliver reflects our core values: integrity, innovation, and excellence. We don't just implement solutions, we build partnerships that inspire trust and long-term success.